Welcome everyone. Today I am presenting multiple choice questions for Pros 5, that is Indigo, and this video I am preparing for Standard 12 English Part 2 multiple choice questions for Indigo. Let us start. But before starting, there is one important thing. It will be more beneficial for you if you read the chapter first and then attempt this activity. Okay, so let us begin. So the first question for today, and because we have done up to 10, so question number 11. After Tirhat, where did Gandhi go? The options are A. Lucknow, B. Motihari, C. Kanpur, and D. Ahmedabad. So what is your answer? I hope you all have opened your notebooks and you're ready with your pen or pencil, right? Okay, so tell me, what is the right answer? Motihari? No? Then Ahmedabad? Okay, let us check the right answer. The right answer is Motihari. Very good. Question number 12. What happened when Gandhi visited the Secretary of British Landlords Association? Options are A. The Secretary proceeded to bully him. Option B. The Secretary advised him forthwith to leave Tirhat. C. The Secretary said that they could not give any information to an outsider. And the last option is D. The Secretary was very helpful. So what is your answer? First one, the Secretary proceeded to bully him? No? Okay, let us check the right answer. The right answer is the Secretary said that they could not give any information to an outsider. Question number 13. Why was Gandhi not permitted to draw water from Rajendra Prasad's well? And the options are, option number 1, the servant thought Gandhi was another peasant. B. As Rajendra Prasad was not at home. C. Gandhi looked like a vagabond. C. Over. Now D. Gandhi was a Harijan. What do you think? Why was Gandhi not permitted? Yes, B, C, D or A? Okay, let us see the correct answer. The correct answer is the servant thought Gandhi was another peasant. Now question number 14. Where is Champaran district situated? Options are A. In the southwest of Odisha, B. in the foothills of the Himalayas in Bihar, C. in the northeast of Orissa, or option D is in the south of Bihar. What do you say? Which one is the right answer? Any guess? Okay, let me show you the answer. B. In the foothills of the Himalayas in Bihar is the right answer. Okay, so question number 15. What did the British landlords order the peasants after synthetic indigo was developed? So what was their order for the poor peasants? The options are A. Indigo as rent, B. 50% of produce, C. Money as compensation, and D. A new settlement. What was their order? No idea? Okay, so let us see. The right answer is money as compensation. Question number 16. What were the places visited by Gandhi between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran? The options are A. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur. B. Calcutta, Patna, Gaya, Muzaffarnagar. C. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Gaya, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur. And D. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Patna and Muzaffarnagar. What were the places visited by Gandhi? So select one answer and I am going to share the right answer for you. What's your option? B, A, C, D? Okay, let us see the answer. It is A. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna and Muzaffarpur. Question number 17. Who received Gandhi at Muzaffarpur station? A. Shukla, B. J.B. Kripalani, C. Rajendra Prasad, or D. Nehru. What is the right answer? Okay, let us see what is the right answer. The right answer is J.B. Kripalani. Question number 18. Shukla led Gandhi to the house of a lawyer who later became the President of India. He was J.B. Kripalani, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Zakir Hussain, or D. Mahadev Desai. And this is the right answer. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 19. What was the full name of the peasant from Champaran? His name was J.B. Shukla, A. B. Rajkumar Shukla, C. Ram Kumar Shukla, or D. Roop Kumar Shukla. Yes, I know you have guessed the correct answer. And let me show you. Yes, Rajkumar Shukla. And now today's last question, question number 20. When did Gandhiji go to Lucknow? It was December 1917, October 1916, February 1917, or December 1916. What is your answer? The correct answer is December 1916. So hope you have enjoyed it and keep writing the answers. So now it is time to say thank you. Thank you for watching and keep writing the answers in your notebook. It can be asked any day to submit for correction. Thank you so much.